You can listen, shadow, and practice your English with me. Today, I will tell you about my trip. I went to a big city. I went to New York. It was my first time. It was my first flight. It was a big step for me. I was nervous, but also excited. I packed my bag. I put my passport, my clothes, and my phone charger. I looked at my ticket. The plane would leave at 8 a.m. I went to the airport early. The sky was dark. The air was cold. I wore a jacket and jeans. I said goodbye to my parents. I took my seat on the plane. I looked out the window. The plane went up. I saw the sky. I saw the clouds. It was beautiful. I smiled. I listened to music. I drank some juice. I ate a small meal. The flight was long. I closed my eyes. I slept for a while. After 6 hours, the plane landed. I was in New York. I looked around. The airport was big. There were many people. Some people were walking fast. Some were talking on phones. Some were carrying big bags. I followed the signs. I went outside. The air was fresh. The sky was blue. I took a taxi. I showed the driver my hotel address. He said, "Okay, sit back and relax." I looked out the window. I saw tall buildings. I saw yellow taxis. I saw people walking on the streets. I saw shops and restaurants. I said, "Wow, this city is alive." The driver smiled. He said, "Yes, welcome to New York." We reached the hotel. I gave him money. He said, "Have a nice stay." I said, "Thank you." I went inside. The hotel was nice. The man at the desk said, "Welcome. Here is your room key." I took the key. I went to my room. It was on the 8th floor. I opened the door. The room was small but clean. There was a bed, a table, and a big window. I put my bag down. I washed my face. I looked out the window. I saw the city lights. It was night now, but I was not sleepy. I wanted to walk. I put on my shoes. I went outside. The streets were full of light. People were still out. Some were eating. Some were laughing. I walked slowly. I saw Times Square. It was bright. So many screens. So many colors. I took pictures. I smiled. I felt happy. I bought a hot dog from a small cart. The man said, "Want ketchup?" I said, "Yes, please." I ate the hot dog. It was warm and tasty. I sat on a bench. I looked at the people. I said to myself, I am in New York. The next day, I woke up early. I took a shower. I ate some bread and fruit. I wore my jacket. I picked up my phone. I opened the map. I wanted to go to Central Park. I walked to the subway. I bought a ticket. I got on the train. It was fast. It was a little loud. People were reading. Some were listening to music. I looked at the stops. After some time, I got off the train. I followed the signs. I walked a little. And then I saw the park. It was big. It was green. Trees, flowers, water, people. Some people were running. Some people were riding bikes. Some were sitting on the grass. I walked slowly. I saw a man playing guitar. His music was soft. I listened. I smiled. I put $1 in his box. He said, "Thank you." I said, "You're welcome." I walked more. I saw a woman painting. She was painting the trees. It looked so nice. I said, "Beautiful work." She said, "Thanks." I felt calm. I sat on the grass. I closed my eyes. The wind was soft. I felt peace. After 1 hour, I stood up. I walked to the museum. The ticket line was short. I bought one ticket. I went inside. I saw art. I saw history. I saw old things. I took my time. I read the signs. I looked at every room. It was quiet. It was nice. I liked it. After the museum, I felt hungry. I went to a small cafe. I sat near the window. I ordered soup and bread. I also got orange juice. The food came fast. It was hot and good. I said, "Perfect." I paid the bill. I gave a tip. I said, "Thank you." The server smiled. I left the cafe. I walked again. I wanted to see more. I went to the bridge, the big one, Brooklyn Bridge. I walked on it. I saw the river. I saw the boats. I saw the city from far. The wind blew my hair. I took a photo. I took a deep breath. I felt proud. I said, "I came alone. I made it here. I am brave." I smiled to myself. It was a good day. The next morning, I woke up early again. I felt fresh. I opened the window. The sun was shining. I saw people walking to work. I saw dogs running in the street. I smiled. I got ready. I wore my favorite sweater. I went downstairs. I ate breakfast in the hotel. I had toast, eggs, and coffee. The coffee was hot. It helped me feel awake. I planned my day. I wanted to go to the Statue of Liberty. I looked at my phone. I checked the directions. I took the subway again. I sat near the door. I watched the people. Some people looked tired. Some were reading. Some were sleeping. I reached the station. I followed the signs to the ferry. I bought my ticket. I waited in line. The boat came. I walked on the boat. It was big. Many people were taking pictures. I looked at the water. It was blue and calm. The boat moved slowly. After some time, I saw the statue. It was tall. It was green. It looked strong. I said, "Wow." I took many photos. The sun was behind the statue. The sky looked golden. I smiled again. We reached the island. I got off the boat. I walked around. I read about the statue. It was a gift from France. It was a sign of freedom. I liked that. I touched the stone. I looked up. It was bigger than I thought. I sat on a bench. I drank water. I ate a small snack. I looked at the city from far. It looked so big. I felt small, but also happy. I was part of something big. After some time, I took the boat back. I sat near the window. I closed my eyes for a few minutes. I thought about my journey. I thought about my dream. I wanted to travel. I wanted to speak English well. And now, here I was. I was doing it. I felt proud again. When I reached the city, I walked to a bookstore. I love books. I saw many books in English. I picked one. It was a small book with simple stories. I opened it. I read a few lines. I could understand. I smiled. I bought the book. I said, "This is my gift from New York." I put it in my bag. I walked more. I saw people playing music in the street. I stopped and watched. They were happy. They danced. They sang. I clapped. I gave them $1. I said, "Thank you for the music." They smiled. I walked back to my hotel. I felt tired but full. My heart was full. My eyes were full. I rested for a while. Then I called my mom. I said, "Hello, I am in my room now. I saw the statue. I took pictures. I had a good day." She said, "I'm so proud of you. You are brave." I felt warm inside. I said, "I miss you." She said, "We miss you too." After the call, I opened my new book. I read one story. I said each word out loud. I shadowed the sentences, just like at home. I smiled. I said, "Even in New York, I practice my English." I turned off the light. I closed my eyes. I slept well. The next day, I went to a museum again. This one was about science. I saw stars, the moon, and old animals. I saw a big dinosaur. I took a picture. I walked with children. They were laughing. I liked their joy. I felt like a child again. I went to the gift shop. I bought a keychain. It had a small planet on it. I said, "This is for my sister. She loves the sky." I went outside. I saw food trucks. I was hungry. I bought a slice of pizza. It was hot. It was cheesy. I ate it with my hands. It was big. I smiled. I said, "This is a New York pizza." I walked more. I saw a park. I sat there. I watched the people. Some were jogging, some were reading. A dog came to me. He wagged his tail. I said, "Hello, puppy." The owner smiled. She said, "He likes new people." I said, "He is cute." We talked for a minute. Then I said goodbye. I went back to the hotel. I packed my things. My trip was ending. I looked at my bag. I saw the book. I saw the keychain. I saw my memories. I felt sad, but also happy. I had a good time. I did what I dreamed. I walked in the big city. I used my English. I asked for food. I asked for help. I smiled at people. I took photos. I laughed. I learned. I felt free. I said to myself, "You did it. You went to New York." I wrote about my trip in my notebook. I wrote slowly. I used simple words. I wanted to remember this forever. Then I went to sleep. My heart was light. I was ready to go home.